Haka 40th Meghalaya State Badminton Championship Arja Apusan Kabade Galimpong Yelekai Badminton Kabahe Hagajala Kelas Dang Minta Kesni HNSCA Indo Stadium Umlingkdan Balawan Ru Wan Shim Bynta Dikirang Batki Theyelekai Kintobru Iki Khana Nakalengki District Jong Kajala Yakani Galimpong Lapinlong da Ri-Bhoi District Badminton Association Kabahab Hapo ka Meghalaya State Badminton Association Batla plepat ba minta kesni da uba Miral Bonds MLA kanongpo kum ukongsan bat u Abhilash Waranwal Deputy Commissioner Ri-Bhoi District kum usimbut kongsan hakate ke jingple nadonru uba Eric Dekhar BDO ko umling CNRD Blong bat kinoyalam jong ka RBD BA bat kiwe kinoyalam rangba ha ke jingkren jong u ha kani kesni uba Miral Bonds ulapin pau ya ke jingkemen hadian balayo ban pinlong ya kani ke Limpong Ri-Bhoi District pat la kinturu ikinong ya Shim Bynta bakin le kai bha wat kamariang kalong ke bashin uloong ba kani ke Limpong kalong kum ke rinsan ban kiush ki Limpong bakham he hadian ba ke sarkar kala shingkhia ban kintil ki kam yele kai bat wat ki jaka le kai ki bapaka na ka Bynta ki samla
all the best to each and every participant who are present here. I know most of you have come from very far area, from Garo Hills, Jaintia Hills, Southwest Khasi Hill, another part of our state. We welcome you. The temperature in Ri-Bhoi, it is quite hot and warm and humid, so you please bear with all of us. But I hope that this kind of atmosphere that it is there with the environment that we have, I hope that it will suit each and every one of you so that you can play well in days to come. We cannot forget the fact that the government has been pressuring through various endeavors that have been made to provide sport facilities within our state. We have seen through the sports policy how to tap young talent, how to provide proper infrastructure, and how to ensure that the facility will be there to each and every one of us. So I would take this opportunity to congratulate the Ri-Bhoi District Badminton Association for hosting. Congratulations to all of you as well as to all the players who are present here. On this note, I would like to declare that the 40th Meghalaya State Badminton Championship 2025 open. Thank you.